Is bulking and cutting routine necessary? Should I bulk or cut? Can we add muscle without gaining fat? Hi guys, before getting into any of these topics, we have to discuss about an important term called daily maintenance calories. It is nothing but the total daily energy expenditure. In simple terms, we can tell it is the minimum calories of energy required for maintaining the body weight throughout. The daily maintenance calories depends on the following factors like age, height, weight and activity. In general, for men it would be around 2000 to 3000 kilocalories, and for women it would be around 1500 to 2000 kilocalories. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the terms bulking and cutting. For ease of understanding, let's consider daily maintenance calories as DMC. In bulking, the caloric intake is greater than DMC, and in cutting, caloric intake is less than DMC. Bulking is done by the bodybuilders during off-season. Like in off-season, the bodybuilders undergo clean bulk. Unlike in cutting, the bodybuilders before performing shows, they undergo cutting diet. And bulking is done by the lean guys to gain mass, and cutting is done for fat loss in general. Now, bulking is of two types, that is clean and dirty. In clean bulk, we consume caloric-rich food and healthy food. Unlike in dirty bulking, we eat unhealthy foods like ice creams, chocolates, etc. The topic which we are going to discuss now is an important topic, that is muscle mass. So, muscle mass can be achieved by two programs. One is clean bulk program and another one is lean muscle program. In clean bulk program, the muscle mass is increased along with the increased fat percentage. Unlike in lean mass program, the muscle mass is increased but the fat percent stays low. In clean bulk program, it is done for a few months which is followed by cutting program. Unlike the lean muscle program, which is done for a full year and you try to stay lean in it. Clean bulk program is a quick process for achieving muscle mass. Unlike the lean muscle program, in which you achieve muscle mass at a slower rate because you try to stay lean throughout the year, adding upon the lean muscle. Now, let's go in detailed explanation of the muscle gaining programs. The first one is alternating bulking and cutting phases. Bulking phase is hypercaloric because the carbohydrate intake is increased. And in this, the body fat percent stays greater than 15% and it is done for 2 to 3 months. Coming to the cutting phase. Cutting phase is hypocaloric because carbohydrate intake is reduced and body fat percent try to stay less than 10% and it is done for the rest of the year. In this full process, the protein intake is adequate, that is around 1.5 to 2 grams per kg. Coming to the second one, lean muscle program. Lean muscle program, in this the carbohydrate intake is adequate but it is hypercaloric because protein intake is increased, that is around 200 grams. It is done for the full year and for the full year you try to stay lean with less body fat, that is less than 10%. Full muscle gaining programs will be explained in our upcoming videos. That will be including workouts, diet plans and the precautions to be taken. Thank you. Intake should be adequate because that is pura ka ma'am re pura khali sa carbohydrate intake should be adequate. अरे last one कमाल क्या रे? Discuss about an important term called daily maintenance calories. Stay tuned, stay motivated.